Hello and welcome. Today we're addressing a common challenge in government and public sector infrastructure projects, which is understanding how one change can impact an entire network of interdependent work items. In large-scale projects involving multiple agencies, even a small update, like adjusting permit workflows or shifting project timelines, can cascade across systems, teams, and compliance layers. Without clear visibility, these changes can delay delivery, create administrative bottlenecks, or disrupt coordination between departments. That's where impact assessment becomes essential, and Copilot for DevOps AI makes it fast, reliable, and easy to use right inside Azure DevOps. We begin with any work item within Azure DevOps. Let's say we're reviewing a feature for interagency permit approvals, and we plan to add a new compliance step that could impact the timeline. To evaluate how this might impact related processes and systems, we launch Copilot for DevOps. Once loaded, select the Impact Assessment tile. Here we have two powerful methods to assess impact. First, the Change Explanation method. On the right, we add our current work item to the analysis list. This can be done manually or through a query. On the left, we describe the proposed change. At the bottom right, you can choose which fields of the existing work item Copilot for DevOps should analyze, like description or steps. This gives the AI the right context to generate accurate impact insights. With that input, we click Perform Analysis. Copilot for DevOps evaluates the change and returns a structured report, including the impacted work item title, a system-assigned impact level A, clear impact explanation, and suggested tasks to manage the risks. To explore further, we click Analyze Next Level. This reveals all linked work items that might also be affected, including interagency dependencies, communication plans, or infrastructure timelines. You can export the entire report as a Word or PDF file. It is ideal for change board reviews, audits, or documentation. Now let's look at the second method, which is analyzing the impact using a reference work item. First, we select the source work item on the left, the one where we plan to make a change. Then, on the right, we use Auto Select Linked Work Item to automatically bring in related items. This allows us to assess how those connected work items might be impacted by the proposed change. Once both sides are set, we click Perform Analysis. Copilot for DevOps runs the assessment and generates a detailed report showing how the proposed change could impact the linked work items. We get clear explanations, impact levels, and suggested actions to mitigate any risks. With this level of insight, manufacturing teams can move with confidence, spotting risks early, reducing rework, and keeping complex production plans aligned. It's a smarter way to manage change across systems, suppliers, and shop floors. If you are ready to streamline change management in your manufacturing programs, try Copilot for DevOps inside Azure DevOps and take control of complexity before it takes control of your project.